Hi guys, Andy here with onemanwireless.com, and today I have a very short video for you on how to unlock a Samsung Galaxy S20. This phone currently has AT&T SIM card in it, but if I want to use a different carrier SIM card from around the world, I'm going to need to unlock it first. Here I'm going to show you how to get a factory unlock code and get your Samsung device permanently unlocked so you can accept most any SIM card. Now, the first thing we need to do is get the IMEI number from the phone so that we can submit it to onemanwireless.com and get the unlocking code. Now, the easiest way to do that is to go into the phone's dialer, and we're going to dial *#06#. So let's do that. Now, as soon as I hit pound, the IMEI will pop up. So now that we have our IMEI, we need to write down just the first 15 digits of that number and then go to onemanwireless.com to get our unlocking code. Now I'm at the onemanwireless.com website, and the first thing I'm going to do is select the phone manufacturer. Once you've selected that, go ahead and select your Samsung phone model. In this case, we're going to select the Samsung Galaxy S20. Next, you're going to select the country, United States, and the network which your phone is locked to. AT&T, Cricket, Xfinity, and Spectrum Mobile are supported this time. So we're going to select AT&T for a particular phone. Now you'd need to type in the IMEI number that you have written down. Be sure to type it in correctly, digit by digit, because each IMEI has its own specific set of codes. Then type in the IMEI one more time, just for verification purposes. Next, put in your email address where you want the unlock code to be sent, and click the unlock button below, and then select the Pay Now button. You're going to be redirected to the payment page. Once the payment is completed, you'll get a confirmation email, and your order is going to go to the processing server. As soon as your unlock code is ready, it will be sent to the email address you had provided. Now, once you have your unlock code, in order to enter it into the phone, we would need to first power off the phone. You don't necessarily need to power it off, but we're going to need to swap the SIM card to the SIM card that we want to use. And you can see this was a AT&T SIM card. Let me set it aside here. And here's my T-Mobile SIM card that I'm going to use. So let's go ahead and put it into place. Once the SIM card is inserted, go ahead and power the phone back on. Once the phone is on, it will immediately come up to the screen where it will ask you for your SIM network unlock PIN. So what we'll need to do is take the email we've received from onemanwireless.com and use the unlock code provided to finish unlocking your phone. Be sure to input the code correctly, as you only have 10 attempts to. So let's go ahead and type that in. Now that we have the PIN in place, what we need to do is hit the unlock. Just like so. Once you do that, it will come up and say network unlock successful, and then it will go to the home screen when you can see that it's connected to a new provider. Let's take a look at the network. It shows the connections, and we're going to mobile networks, and you'll see new providers. You see the name appear under network operators. So let's make sure that works. We'll go to a web page here. Seems like it's loading just fine. Now we have permanently unlocked your device. It will never relock, and you can use it with any GSM carrier worldwide. Like I said, it is permanently unlocked, so even if you update the firmware or wipe the phone, it is not going to lock again. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new unlocked phone. S20.